So, where Trevor there?
Him same soon coming now.
It soon come.
Mm-hmm.
Same on the property?
Nope. About an hour ago now, him same soon come. I know much time call him still. Anita, you stay where? In the shower.
Why should I get big though?
Yeah. Soon tell like her daddy, you don't realize.
Let me see it. Well, let me call it.
Alright.
Mr. Sullivan. Yes, sir. Me not there. Me on the property, I'm not see you. How far? Yeah, me see them. Me see some new bed and dresser and stuff like that. Okay, hurry up. I have something to talk to you about. Alright. Must give him another hour. So what I want with you? Hold on, Nick. By the way, me some owe you a drink or something, man, cause me say punch out not so nice.
I'ma tell you. I didn't have to thumb down the girl. She too right. But she there come a picnic quick. I don't even remember what she said something about squid or nix or pick. I don't know. But I have to thumb her down because you say I must have fight some of this.
Yeah, me don't want to fighting, but from the sound it wasn't much of a fight.
No.
You just do it for do. Yeah, man, good for her.
Trevor just needs to get rid of her so we can live a life.
So tell me something. You plan to go back to Trevor?
Well, if I really sick, when can stand up, so you know him responsibilities with me and Kamisha. Me I work, I may do my thing, but Kamisha pressure me and she asked me if I'm married to Dave, if daddy have girlfriend. I can't bother with a bag of questions. So one man and maybe our father, I don't know, I'm not so bad.
I know you love Trevor, you know. And you know that you have a special place in my heart. Him just, you know, he's a man.
Mm-hmm.
What can I say? Sometimes we are idiots.
Mm-hmm.
But, me I try to convince him, say, you are the person he need to settle down with. I'm to say you're a good girl.
Right, too.
However, I want him to do something for me.
What?
I want him to stay with Nicey a little longer.
What? Why?
Never plan. You see? Right now, she employed to one of my enemies, per se. I want some information out there. And Trevor can get it from me. So, him done with 90. Don't worry about that. But I just want him to play the game.
I'm not sure how much about that, but you know I'm a general, so I guess we can work with that. And if you want me in panic,
No, I don't want you to thump her down again.
alright.
We just want Trevor stay close to her and get me the information we need. That's all.